शिक्षण संचालनालय आणि तांत्रिक शिक्षण संचालनालय हांच्यांनी फुडाकार घेवन 6वी ते 8वेच्या विद्यार्थ्यांक खातीर कोडिंग अँड रोबोटिक्स शिक्षणीक येवजण 2021 ह्या वर्सा सुरू केल्ली। बुधवारा कोडिंग अँड रोबोटिक्स शिक्षण ह्या येवजणे खाला पुराय गोंयांतल्या मदल्या पावण्यावयल्या शाळांतल्या संगणकीय शिक्षकांक प्रशिक्षण दिवपाची कार्यावळ जाली। तशेंच विद्यार्थ्यांचो समस्या जाणून घेवन संगणकीय शिक्षकांनी त्या तंत्रज्ञानाचो बरो वापर करून विद्यार्थ्यांनी कितें करपाक जाय आनी फुडाकार खंय पावपाक जाय हे समजावचें पडटलें, अशें म्हापशेचो आमदार जोशुआ डिसुजान म्हापसा खोर्ली सारस्वत हायस्कुलांत आयोजीत केल्ल्या कोडिंग अँड रोबोटिक्स प्रशिक्षण कार्यावळी वेळार सांगलें।
It's a great initiative by the Directorate of Education and the Directorate of Technical Education to somehow link both these departments. I'm happy to say that the day has finally come and we are the ones that are all here, gathered here to take it forward. We are the link between the students and the technology that is available today. The teaching staff is the tool to guide the students from where they are and where they have to be or where they want to be. I would like to thank our Honorable Prime Minister, our Honorable Chief Minister, all the concerned departments. I believe the IT department also is very instrumental in this initiative. Everybody that has come here today, well, I've not come to hear me speak, but definitely for this workshop that has been put together for y'all, and I think it is going to be one of many more workshops that are going to come in the future.
I request the parents as well as the school management, please keep your door open, especially to this add-on program, that is the coding and robotics, which they will learn through some of the experts. The best part of it, they are all youngsters, they are all computer engineers, and they used to contribute something to the society. That is how they have joined this movement, and through that they can learn much more things.
दोन भागांनी एक म्हणतात showcasing of the ICT equipments. So must be knowing 435 schools are there in the entire state. That means I'm talking about aided as well as government schools. Now this particular scheme is being implemented for 6th standard, 7th standard, 8th standard classes. Now 435, that means around about 4,305 equipments have been given to all the schools. Have been given to all the schools. This is the first thing in more than 10 years that the government of Goa has done this particular initiative, and best equipments have come in all these particular schools.